Tired of the annoying testing environment error stopping you from editing in CapCut? Here's the easy fix you've been searching for. Type Windscribe VPN into your browser's search bar. Go to the Windscribe website and click the Download button. Pick your operating system, like Windows or Mac OS, and hit Download again. Open the Windscribe app and click Get Started. You'll need to make an account.
Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my.
Complete the CAPTCHA and hit Create Account. Log in using the account you just created. Once you're logged in, switch on the VPN by clicking the toggle button.
Everything that you did, that you said, I don't think you understand what you're doing. And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing.
Wait a few seconds, and the testing environment error should disappear. Now you can edit without any problems.